So what does it look like if you want to take on a VCM replacement process? Well, it looks like any other software implementation. We start with a discovery stage where we learn about your business and what you're doing today, what's working, what's not working. We'll review with you some of the new technology that's available now and how that might impact your business and some things that you want to take into consideration there. Based on those conversations, we'll design a solution for you and work with you to refine that to make sure that we're hitting certain deliverables and targets and requirements that you have for your business today. Then, of course, the implementation starts, and implementations are going to vary in duration and complexity based on your specific operation. But right now, we're seeing our estimated project times between 4 to 6 weeks for your average implementation. And so we're excited about being able to truncate or shorten down typical implementation cycle times. Of course, we're going to train your trainers. We're going to train your people. We've got some ideas on how we're going to roll out training as well that I think will be exciting to you. And then finally, one of the things that we feel often happens in the software industry is you get a project in place and then you walk away and everybody just kind of leaves it there. While you know that the solution can be used in a variety of areas, those other projects never really take shape. And doesn't have to be you, but we're hearing from a lot of people that you're ready to take those next steps. So we want to make sure that we put as a part of closing up the initial transfer from VCM over to Compass, some mechanism to at least have that conversation to see what might be next for you. And that's really it.